Hello traders out there in Traderland, D7 here with Grok Trade, with nearly 30 years trading experience using technical analysis here to decode what the markets are doing looking at these charts. Let's get started. First thing we want to look at here is we're looking at the ETFs. These are daily charts. This happens to be a line chart because I want to teach you something right out of the gates. There's something called bullish and bearish divergences. And what I want to share with you has to do with price action and higher swing highs. Do you see how we have higher swing highs here? Swing high, swing high, swing high, higher swing high. There's higher swing highs on this blue line here. And a lot of times we do like to use candlesticks. So Japanese candlesticks, you can see this. Higher swing high, higher swing high, higher swing high. That's what we're doing. Now, the red lines show higher swing highs. You'll notice the second red line, it's a higher swing high, but not nearly at the same trajectory. So it's slowing down. The thing I want to share with you is we got a lower swing high on the MACD centered oscillator. Do you guys see this here? If we're going up here, MACD swings should be going up. Instead, we're going up here, we're going down there. On the RSI, the same is happening on a longer time frame. So this goes all the way back here. You can see this goes higher to lower. It doesn't look like it, looks pretty flat, but if I blow this up, you can see it. Higher to lower, lower swing highs. The reason that's important is because we're seeing higher swing highs here, lower swing highs here. That's a bearish divergence. This one has already played out. You'll see this. So I just wanted to show you how it played out. We had a big divergence here, a smaller divergence here. So it's almost a double divergence, still going higher. But do you see how the market has come down right after that? These are very powerful. Very, very powerful. If you go to the Spider daily chart, same thing. I want to show you guys something here. We have a lot of price action here. Do you see this? Higher swing highs, higher swing highs, higher swing highs. And if you look here, the MAC or the RSI for the same time frame, lower swing highs. We also have a little shorter swing high on the MACD. We have a higher swing high here, lower swing high, bearish divergence. So we got this big rising wedge on the daily chart, guys, on the spiders, the S&P 500. By the way, I don't run ads on my videos. Give me a thumbs up for not running ads. It doesn't cost you a thing to give me a like. But check this out, diamonds. If I go over here to the diamonds, big higher swing highs, going straight up, straight up, straight up. Everything's looking great. And as we're doing that, you'll see that we're going up here. Do you see this? Going up here. What are we seeing on the MACD? Going down. There's a bearish divergence. Furthermore, what are we seeing on the RSI? Going down. Bearish divergence. So that is very bearish. Let's go to the Qs. Qs, you take a look at it. RSI, lower swing highs, price action, higher swing highs. That's this big red line. Then we go more steep on the red line. Do you see this? Much higher swing high here, lower swing high on the MACD. A double bearish divergence. Very, very, very bad place. RSI up in overbought territory to boo. The Russell 2000 had already been going up. Higher swing highs, lower swing highs, higher swing high, lower swing high, lower swing high, and then it's already starting to break down. If you look at this, all the other markets are up. Look how many days in a row the Russell 2000 has been going down. A lot of times the Russell 2000 will lead the broad market as a whole and broke a major area of support. Thursday, big drop. So that is something that we are watching. We are seeing weakness taking place right now. But let's see what's happening with the financials. If we look at the financials, same thing. It's already started to drop. When the spider's still going up, the diamond's going up, people are going up. The financials are going down, and the small caps are going down. Look at this price action. If we look at this, higher swing high, higher swing high, higher swing high, higher swing high. Everything looks good. RSI, lower swing high, lower swing high, lower swing high. If you look at the last two swings, swing high, higher swing high, MACD, swing high, lower swing high, bearish divergence, bad news. This is showing big weakness out there in the markets. The US dollar, look at this. High, low. You can see this. We broke down showing this earlier. It really shows how the market's playing out. If you draw your trend lines correctly, you will see it. These trend lines are so important. If you haven't watched my interview with TradingView interviewed me on trend lines, feel free to watch that. We teach this at a much more advanced level in our mentorship. But you can see this. We go up, support, now resistance, break resistance, break or support, we break support, and then support is resistance, and now it's coming back into resistance. Draw those trend lines correctly. For you gold people out there, big symmetrical triangle, big coiling take place. We are looking for a big move, either up or down. Watch gold, guys, big move coming. Silver, it's already heading down, but trying to go higher. It might be a precursor saying we may be ready to explode to the north. Let's see if that happens. VIX is like so low, really has dropped. If you look at this, oversold right now in that lower level. Very interesting to see this. So we are just so low. There's no fear out there in the marketplace. Bitcoin at the time of this video over $100,000. But look at the big time bearish divergences taking place. I took some off the table, and I am looking to use my algorithms. I have a trading algorithm that tells us when to buy and sell. So we get to take some off the table. I do want to share something with you. This is pretty cool that I'm getting ready to share with you. We are bringing back the algorithms in storm. Bitcoin. Everybody's interested in Bitcoin. You may or may not be. You don't know anything about it. You want to be able to get into cryptocurrency and Bitcoin and how to do it. But who wants to drop $100,000 on one coin? You can put $50 in. You don't have to buy $100,000 worth. You can buy fractions of a Bitcoin. But we all want more Bitcoin. Best way to do it, two ways to do it. You can buy more Bitcoin, or you can trade to make more Bitcoin. That's how you can get Bitcoin. The algorithms, you go up. It tells you to sell, you sell. When it goes down. When you buy more Bitcoin than you had before. Up, sell at a high, wait for it to come back down, buy it again, increasing Bitcoin. So the more you trade, the concept is the more Bitcoin you will or could accumulate. No guarantees in trading and or the algorithms. Other than that, and I'm not going to say other than the fact, the algorithms have a lot of back testing. So on Saturday, we are doing a class Saturday morning. It's just a meetup. I'm going to be talking about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin and the algorithms and how to use those to make your life really easy. When to buy, when to sell. You don't have to think and overthink about it, okay? There's the long and short of it. So get into this class. And if some of you guys are interested in AI, you're a business owner and you want to know how to bring AI into your business, sponsored by Grok Core, feel free to jump into this class that's here. You can do that too. We won't be talking about trading there. We'll just be talking about artificial intelligence. Okay, I want to share something with you guys that I just put together. This is my these are my best tools. These are affiliate links for Amazon. I did a huge amount of research. This is the computer I have. I don't have one this beefy though. I love the LG Gram, and I have a 17-inch. That's what I'm using for this video right now. I have all my hedge fund people using this one. This is a great, very lightweight, very powerful. But look, 8 terabytes, 32 gigs of RAM. It's a touch screen. It is the cat's meow. If I was buying a computer right now, that is it. Curved screen, I have this. This is a great curved screen for not a lot of money, which is fantastic. And then these screens, 27-inch, these are just so solid. These are the best. You want refresh rates. The faster you get the refresh rates, the better. Faster you get the refresh rates, the better, especially for day trading and scalping. But here's the setup. Put the curved one down at the bottom. Put the two flat ones at the top. That's what you want. So this is it. The two flat ones at the top, the curved one at the bottom. Get this set up right here. It fits perfectly. And then what you do is you set it up on the desk. This is a great desk. It's not a lot of money and it's very sturdy. It will do a lot. You put that there and you set your laptop right on top of it. You can have now, you'll have a laptop screen, you got your curved screen, and you got your two. You got 4 screens. I do not have this chair, but I'm salivating. I want this chair. This is the best chair. That is it. This is the connector to hook everything together. And if you're wanting to have something cool, which I don't have yet, I wonder if my wife would get this for me for Christmas, but a ticker display there showing ticker symbols. That's just a cool factor. So anyway, people ask me, especially the students that come through the program, what computer should I get? What monitor should I get? What setup should I have? Here's what I consider the best trading setup out there that money can buy. And what I'm saying is, don't feel like you got to buy the huge trade. This is more than what you need for trading right here. This is if I was setting up a new trading station I would be buying all of these. This is what I would be doing. But this pales in comparison to the education itself. Education is by far the most important. Have education first, then the cool tools, okay? In that order. Invest in yourself first, your mind, your ability to be able to trade and trade responsibly, and to trade like a business. Treat it like a business. Don't treat it like gambling. Too many people want to get into the markets and gamble their life away. They don't think they're going to gamble their life away. They think they're going to build their life by gambling. It doesn't work that way. I'm putting on my mentor hat right now. If you are trading without a trading plan, trading without money management principles, trading without risk parameters and risk management, you are a gambler. You're a gambler. That is no bueno. That we have no part in that. That is not who we are in the Grok ecosystem. You need to become a Grok star, a rock star. So you need to trade with a trading plan, have money management principles, have risk management principles, put in your trading plan to increase probabilities. That's what we're doing and how we do it. We treat trading as a business, not gambling. Big difference. One of the questions we ask before we even accept students too, how disciplined are you? And give us an example of you displaying great discipline that's outside the norm of humanity. Number 2, we ask, give how much emotional resolve do you have when it comes to fear and greed? Fear and greed is the cancer, is the disease to traders. It's the very thing that causes gamblers to lose all their money. Fear and greed, emotions. So emotional resolve is very important to us on accepting our students. Give me an example in a time in life where you showed great emotional resolve that maybe some other people might not have been able to display the same level of that mental resolve. So the reason I ask those 2 questions is because we can teach our we can teach everybody the same thing, same mentors, same education, same curriculum, same everything, and 2 out of 10 people will find a way to lose money. So the question is why? It's because of lack of discipline, not following the rules, lack of emotional resolve, being swayed by their emotion of fear or their emotion of greed, doubling down when they're on a running, a win streak, or getting too conservative because they've taken some losses. Those are amateur mistakes. That's not how we play. We play by black and white rules. We play by subsets of information that we can lean into, because those rules is what separates us from everybody else. We look at technical analysis, and whoever knows and learns technical analysis the best, they win. Period. There's no competition there. So with that said, I want to share with everybody that Christmas is coming. Come on, that's my favorite time of year, and I hope it's the same for you guys. I love Christmas. And so anyway, I hope this is a great year for each and every one of you. And if you haven't done so yet, it doesn't cost you a thing to give me a like. I didn't run ads on this, so give me a like for that. And feel free to subscribe. If you want to, you can always unsubscribe. Doesn't hurt anything, but this is the last time you'll watch this video or see us in any way, shape, or form. If you don't subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. If you don't like what we have, you can always unsubscribe. It's easy to do. It's hard to find us later because you'll have since forgotten about us. So feel free to subscribe. Take care, guys. We'll see you later. Bye. Guys, why are you still here? You just watched my video and now you're still lingering around. Might as well be with you now that I have your undivided attention. Listen, if you haven't done so yet, I highly recommend putting in a foundation of trading, your foundation of trading through a mentor. For learning to fly a plane, you wouldn't just go through ground school before you start flying in the friendly skies. What you would be doing, though, is going up first with your flight instructor. Same thing if you're going to learn to ride a bike, you better have somebody behind you helping you ride a bike. Surgery, you're not going to read a few books and do heart surgery. So every principle and with being guided by a mentor, let finances be this. If you're a trader, you rate you from amateurs to professionals. Mentoring will do that for you. Anyway.